Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about some another quiz which is also related to PEMDAS and BODMAS method. Here we have an expression which contains the multiplication and division sign and there are some numbers which are multiplying each other and divide. So we have to simplify these expression and we have to find out which answer is correct. Here we have the four answers 15, 16 and 14.5 and 1600. So let's see what will be the correct answer. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now we have to revise like the rules of the PEMDAS and BODMAS which will be used to solve this expression. So according to the PEMDAS, we have the parenthesis here and similarly, if we talk about the BODMAS, so we say the bracket and which means that we have the rounded bracket, curly bracket and square bracket. Also, we have the exponent or you can say in BODMAS the order. So it's power, indexes and the root. And also we have the multiplication and division. They both have the similar precedence if you are going to left to right. So if you are going to left to right, so they have same precedence. Similarly, for the addition and subtraction also have the same precedence if you are going to left to right. So now we will solve this expression using BODMAS and PEMDAS method. So let's start the topic. Here we will follow the PEMDAS and BODMAS rule. So now I write like this. So here we will follow the PEMDAS and BODMAS rule to solve this expression. Now we can see the PEMDAS and BODMAS rule says like if you have the any parenthesis and round, curly or square bracket, so first you have to solve this one. So we have to solve this expression first. And if you see like this expression, so here we have to go left to right. We will go first left to right and we will go the left to right and we will solve this first part. So we have to solve this first one, this one we have to solve. So we will multiply 15 multiplied by 32. So we say the 15 multiplied by 32 is we say the 15 multiplied by 32 which is equals to 480 and now we will write as it is the whole other we will write like other expression as it is. Now again we will go to left to right and now we have to see like which part we solve. So if we will go left to right, so we will solve this one first. So now we will solve 48 divided by 2 which is equals to 240 and multiply by 5 and again we will write like this thing divided by 17.5 as it is. And now again we have to go left to right and solve the this curly bracket again. So we will solve this one again and we will see like if we multiply 24 from 24 from the 5, so we will get the answer is 240 multiplied by 5, get the answer is 1200. So here we get the 1200 and divided by 75 we will write as it is. Now we will solve this last part. So if we divide to 1200 divided by 75, so we will get the answer is 4. So the correct answer of this expression is 16, right? So now we have this is the correct answer. And if we see the in the list, so we have the correct answer is B. So this is the correct answer. I hope you understand like how you can solve this type of expression using PEMDAS and BODMAS method. That's it for today. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Thank you. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.